Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Google as your search engine in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can configure everything from your home page to privacy controls and search engine preferences. The settings page is your central hub for personalizing how Chrome works for you. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled Search Engine and click on it. This section controls how Chrome handles your searches and which search engine it uses by default when you type queries into the address bar. Within the search engine settings, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This option gives you more granular control over all the search engines Chrome recognizes and allows you to add custom ones or modify existing settings. It's a powerful feature for tailoring your browsing experience exactly how you want it. Next, you'll see a section called Site Search. Right beside it, there's an Add button. Go ahead and click on that Add button to begin creating a new search engine entry. This is where you'll configure Google as your custom search engine. A form will appear asking you to fill in some details. In the first field, input a name for your search engine. You can simply type Google here so it's easy to identify later. In the shortcut field, enter a shortcut name. Again, you can use Google or something shorter if you prefer. This shortcut will help Chrome recognize your commands quickly. Now, here comes the important part. In the URL field, you need to enter a specific web address that tells Chrome how to perform searches using Google. Type http://www.google.com/search?q = %s. I'll display this on screen so you can easily copy it. This URL format is what allows Chrome to send your search queries directly to Google. Once you've entered all the information, click the Add button to save your new search engine configuration. Chrome will now recognize Google as one of your available search engines. Finally, to make Google your default search engine, click the three dots that appear beside your newly added Google entry. From the small menu that pops up, click Make Default. This ensures that whenever you search from Chrome's address bar, it will automatically use Google. And that's it! You've successfully added Google as your search engine in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.